handlebars on. So just a couple of simple little jobs today, so it shouldn't be too taxing for me or too stressful. But I'm doing my coffee, it's over there. I'm just going to put the handlebars on, I'm going to put the speedo on, which is located on the front wheel on the Ossa, and also I'm going to put the headlight on. I'm not going to put the wire into the headlight, I'm going to put the headlight on purely because I've got a visitor coming to stay, and she doesn't want to sleep in the same room as the motorbike. So just for my friend, I'm going to try and get as much of the motorbike back together so I can roll the bike outside. Okay, so we've got the handlebars, spacer, two bolts, tighten it down by hand to start with, your Allen key bolts. The serrated bit is to stop them spinning round in the bracket. Right, let's put the other one on first, because we tighten it down all the way, won't be able to get the other one on. Right, the other spacer, other part of the bracket, two Allen bolts, it's a nice easy job today. And then when my friend comes to stay, I'm going to be having a holiday for a week. I'll be able to put the Ossa away and just have some beach days for the next week, which is pretty good, because at the moment we are today already at 41 degrees. So let's get them roughly into position, and I say roughly into position because I'm going to set them up properly when I've got the seat on, and obviously that's not yet, so just tighten down the Allen bolts. Phew, it is hot. I've got the aircon on and it is still hot. Okay, fourth bolt, just tighten down the fourth bolt. They will be nipped up a bit more. I'm going to adjust them to the bars to the seat first. I think they probably need to go up a bit more. Okay, they're on. So, going for putting the front light on. I've got two new rubbery brackets for the Ossa front light. They just go round the handlebars, making sure they're up the right way, because it does say Ossa, so we don't need it upside down. Through the rubber. First side on. Little washer. And a nut on the other side. This is a little tricky, being rubbery. Kind of wants to spring back on itself. Well, that's better. You'll probably see better now as well. We're just going to tighten that up in there. Oh, it's going to be nice to go to the beach. Just loosely, I'm going to put the other bracket on. Again, making sure the osser's up the right way. That second bracket going on. You do have to stretch the rubbers across a bit. Give them a bit of a tug. And just put the threaded bit over the top. Tighten that down. And then literally a nut and bolt to fit through the fork stanchions. That's just going to clamp around the fork stanchions. Doing it by hand because I've left the spanners up there. That means getting up again. Okay, so stick that on the outside. There she is. There she is. Don't try to draw that bracket's right, I think that goes to the top. Oh, I think the bracket goes to the top. Or bottom. They can clamp together. I'm looking forward to having a week of adventures, going to the beach, go up into the mountains, going to the beach, might go kayaking or canoeing. I might take you on the adventure with me. Tomorrow I'm going out on my Triumph Bonneville to go to work. I'm heading to work on the Bonneville tomorrow. Obviously I've got to tighten that up, but that's where the speedo goes. The lights on, handlebars are on, and I'm guessing I'm not going to worry about the brake cable looks good, so I'm going to be reusing the brake cable, and the clutch cable is absolutely shot, so I've taken that all off, and that's going to be in another video. But like and subscribe, join me for the rest of Debbie's awesome adventure.